We are blown away by all the entries we have had on our giveaway competition, so thank you all for entering and sharing it across your networks. If you don't already know, we are having a giveaway competition to celebrate the launch of our new YouTube channel, and it's already gaining over hundreds of subscribers. The competition is running for all of July 2018, and a winner will be announced in early August. One lucky winner will win the Brooklyn Culinary Arts online culinary course worth $1,500. So to enter the competition, it is super simple. All you need to do is click the link in the description below and follow the instructions on the competition website. It's super easy. You can also find the link in our Instagram, our Facebook, and our Twitter. Oh, and our IGTV channel too. That's all. So click the link in the description, entering the competition, and give yourself the chance to win this amazing prize. And don't forget to tell all your wellness and foodie friends about the competition too. Thank you for watching, and good luck.